Okay, I'm Josh with talktojosh.net, Nexa Lending, and I'm here to talk to you about the doctor loan that a lot of realtors just don't remember. Sometimes the agents just forget. I don't want you to forget this. And if you work with doctors at all, or you are a doctor, this might be one of the most important loan programs you ever hear about. Let me ask you something. Are you working with doctors and with doctor clients? Are you working with doctors the same way you're working with everybody else? Because if you are, there's a good chance you're costing them a good opportunity to buy. There's a program called Titan MD. It's built specifically for medical professionals. And here's what it does. It gives you 100% financing, or up to 100% financing. There's no mortgage insurance. Loan amounts are up to $2 million. When you compare that to your typical buyer, they're putting money down. They put 5% down, 10% down, even 15% down, and they're still paying private mortgage insurance. They're getting squeezed on their debt to income ratio, but doctors are completely different. They're different rules. You say, Josh, I don't work with many doctors, but this isn't just for doctors. It can work for dentists and pharmacists, podiatrists, even CRNAs with advanced degrees. So someone in the medical field is working with you, don't assume they don't qualify for this loan. Reach out to me. Let's look and see if we can find the best possible solution for them. This is the big one. Most doctors have massive student loan debt. I had a loan officer come to me yesterday and say, hey, I couldn't get this deal done because the student debt was just too much. And there's another lender out there that might be getting it done. It's possible that she's run across somebody that has a program like this. With this program, in a lot of cases, we can reduce and sometimes even exclude those student loan payments totally. Now that can completely change their buying power. When you've got $250,000 in student loans, and even if the lender is just counting a small fraction of that loan against their debt to income ratio, it can kill the deal. With this flexible program, we can find another way. This program is so flexible. We can use co-borrowers, gift funds, fixed rates, adjustable rate options. It's built to help fit into whatever their situation is. And from a qualification standpoint, it's pretty straightforward. Around a 680 credit score or up. Sometimes only one score is needed. This is only for primary residents. So this is not something they can use for buying rental property or something that they're not planning to live in. But we can do this for both purchases and refinances. So think about it like this. If you've got that doctor's client who says we need to wait, or maybe they're another medical professional and they say, we got to save a little bit more money. I'm not ready yet. Pause. They might think that they don't qualify. They might think that they're held back, but they might actually be ready. And you just have to be the one to say, hey, can you talk to my friend Josh? If you'll reach out, talk to Josh, you might discover that you can buy now. Okay, this is the part that matters. When you're working with doctors and you're not using programs like this, you're losing deals. The worst part is you can't understand why that other realtor swooped in and took the deal. The agents who understand this and work with Josh, who brings a solution, that's the realtor that wins the client and wins the referral. Okay, so don't hesitate. Reach out to me if you have any questions about your doctor or medical clients, and I'll walk you through how it works. We'll talk. We can do a Zoom chat like this, or we'll just figure out a way to meet. And I'll do everything I can to serve you. 828-238-2682. Talktojosh.net. Reach out anytime. It's not just a loan. It's an entire strategy built to help you succeed.